Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So I'm back with a breakfast recipe, this time a quick bread recipe using potatoes. This is called Pavbhaji Toast. This is really yummy and delicious and also very easy to prepare. And this is very filling as well. You can use it as a snack or as a breakfast option. Ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box. Do check it out. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for the notifications, and also like, share and comment. So let's have a look at the ingredients required for the toast. I've got bread in here, butter, some boiled and mashed potatoes, finely chopped onion, tomato, capsicum, garlic and coriander leaves. I've got some Pavbhaji masala, red chilli powder and some lime juice in here. And we'll also need some salt to taste. So let's start making the toast. So first, into the potato, I've added a little bit of salt and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients into it. Now let's mix everything together. And then add the Pavbhaji masala and the red chilli powder to this. I'll also add the lime juice. So our potato mixture is ready. Let's start making the toast. So I've applied butter to all the bread slices, only to one side. Now we'll take a portion of the potato and then just put it on top of the bread like this and press gently so that it sticks to the bread slice. Make sure you cover the bread fully with the potato mixture. We'll do the same with the rest of the toast. So I've filled the potato mixture in all the slices. Now let's toast them. To toast the bread, I've taken a pan and applied some butter to it. I'm going to place the toast with the potato side upwards, like this. Now we'll cook them until golden brown from both sides on medium flame. I'm going to just flip this over to the other side and cook it from the other side as well. Once done, you can remove them from the fire and serve them hot. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.